Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 effects that you can use in Filmora 12 to level up your video editing skills. So first of all, in my previous video, I talked about 3 features that I commonly use in Filmora. So in today's videos, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 effects that you guys need to know in Filmora 12. So first of all, I'm going to be showing 3 effects on the timeline that I'm currently using. This is the before and this is the after. So I'm going to show you how to create this war video effect, and I'm also going to show you how you can pretty much remove or blur out the face of your subject in the background. Maybe you're doing the documentary for of someone and you just don't want to show their face. You can actually use this effect to mask out of the face, to blur out the face. And I'm also going to show you how you can max your video in Filmora 12 with just a click of a button, guys. How you can max your video in Filmora 12. So for you guys to do any of this effect, first of all, guys, you need to go to your video effects tab. First of all, go and import your video clips into your timeline. So I'm going to re-upload those video clips that I just showed you guys. I'm going to re-upload those video clips, and I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to show you how you can use those 3 effects. So first one we're going to be using is the video war effects. So go to the effect tab and type in, and pretty much go to the recommended or the video effects and type in video war and click on enter. So then click on this effect called video war and drag it the top into your video clip. So instantly your video is going to be transformed from just an ordinary video to a video war using the video war effect. So pretty much this video effect is pretty much going to change your videos into a video war. So it's pretty much going to lay out your video in a format where like you're watching your videos like in the monitor. So that's how it is, and this kind of effect are seen in movies and films a lot. So if you guys have been wondering how they do this type of effect in movies, this is how you do it. So the second effect that we're going to do is the video mask. So go to the effect and type in video mask and click on enter. So download this effect and drag it into your video, and instantly your video is gonna be maxed. So this black area, you can actually put a clip underneath, and those clip will be appearing in there, and you can scale it. You can scale this video. So this effect is really cool in the sense that, let's say you have a video of yourself talking head video of yourself, you recorded, and you wanted to kind of create a webcam kind of feel. You can use this effect and use that in your video. So let's just use another video clip and let me show you how it looks. So let's just use the same clips and just use this video mask. So we can actually use this as to give you that kind of webcam feels in case you don't have a webcam yet. So you can just put it at the side of your video, and you can just put it to the second layer and find another. Let's just imagine this was our PC screen. This is how it's going to look in your video editing timeline. So this is how it's going to look. So pretty much that's how you do video max. So I'm going to show you the third effect. So the third effect is the face off effect. Go to the effect tab and type in face off. Right here, this is the one you want to download. So when you download it, you can just drop it into your video and just play. You can gonna see that your video subject is the face is blurred by using this, guys. Pretty much that's how you create a video war, a face off, and an image mask in Filmora 12. And I hope these 3 features or 3 effects I showed you in this video really helped you out, and if it did, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, so guys, Filmora are giving out $50 on Amazon gift card to 10 lucky winners for completing an email sign up. So to actually enter this contest, go to Instagram under and go and click on their Instagram bio, and pretty much it's going to take you to this page. Now what you need to do is complete each and every one of these tags. So when you complete all these tags by visiting their page, their YouTube channel, the Instagram page, Twitter page, their Facebook page, and pretty much sharing their their contents. When you complete each and every one of these tags, you're gonna be entered into the draw to win $50 on Amazon gift card. So this is going to be ending on the 6th of September. So if you guys want to get into it right now, go to the Instagram and search for Filmora and go and click on the link on their bio for you to be able to enter this contest. So that's all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please just smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos, and we're gonna see you in the next video.